afternoon, this is Kayla here from AceVacuums in Leesburg. So I wanted to talk to you guys today about vacuum services. I know that that's something that we touch on a lot here in both of our stores, but I just want to remind you guys of the importance of it. So servicing your vacuum every 6 months to a year pushes the longevity of your vacuum. So, you know, when we're buying some of these expensive vacuums, maintaining them to get the best quality that we can get out of our vacuum is definitely a must. So that means things like changing your filters, changing your bag regularly, making sure you don't fill those bags completely full to the top. About halfway is about time to change a bag. Check all your filters around your vacuum. If you see any black or gray dirt stuck in the filters, hair, or anything just blocking those filter airways, definitely time to change your filters. Now, we do sell all these like filters, bags, everything like that in both of our locations, so you can stop by either of our stores. You can bring your vacuum in or give us a call. We do ship parts out and things like that, so if you guys maybe don't want to make a trip or you don't live close and you need some filters or bags for your vacuum, you can always call one of our locations and we'll help you out the best we can and get that fit for your vacuum. So, everything with maintaining your vacuum, from brush rolls, bags, filters, everything like that. Now when you come into our store and you do a service, so a service in either of our locations is when we clean your vacuum out top to bottom. Change your filters, belts, everything like that. If there is any other issues or problems with your vacuum, we would let you know. Once our technician does take a look at it, it is a free estimate to have your vacuum looked at. So don't forget, guys, stop by one of our locations. You have our Fairfax location located at 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia, or stop by our Leesburg store at 300 Fort Evans Road Northeast, Leesburg, Virginia. Thank you guys so much.